Hello friends, I'm about to service my socks in this bag here, and today I decided to try something new. I decided to try something new in the area of the sock cap and what is inside it. Everyone who is involved in RC racing or have a similar car like this does know that inside those caps are the shock bladders. Something similar like this one. Today I decided to try something out and I took a piece of a very normal bicycle tube. I also cut this end here because I want to use this area. You can see here in another piece I have tried out, it's the first time that I'm doing this and I needed to try out. So what I did is took measurements inside the cap but also on the top of the body, and I needed something hard to cut around it, and it looks like this end is exactly what I need. So what I did, okay, you have seen this, it's annoying, so I'm going to cut it in the middle. So now we have two pieces. So what I'm doing here, as I did in the previous piece like this one, is to put just right in the middle and push very hard so I can cut around it. Just like this. So when you're done, it should look more or less like this, and you can pull out the piece you need. So those two pieces are similar because I did with this lower end, and as you can see there might be some little nipples here. Not very much, but you can cut them out if you want and make it look more round with no nipples. So you might not need it to. If you do it with a bicycle, you might need two like me. If you do it with a motorcycle, you might need one because it's thicker. Those are thin, and I have already tried out in this sock, and it needs two because those socks from the JQ and other baggies have a bleeding hole here. That's how it's called. And in order to keep the fluid inside, I need two of those pieces. So as you can see, I already tried it out and it's not bleeding. So I'm taking the cap and going to push the bladder inside. It should fit from the one end to another all the way around. There should be no empty spaces in the corners or flipping around. You see, it's very steady. And now I'm going to push the next one. It's very, very nice and tight. And that's how it should be. So as you can see, it's nice and tight all over the place. And I'm going to try out to screw around the body. It goes all the way down and it fits nice and tight. So I'm going to continue to build this shock like this one, and the result can speak for itself. The shock is ready with my self-made shock bladder. It can help you out when it's Sundays and you cannot buy, your bladders are broken and you need new ones. So this is a very simple solution to the shock bladder. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.